Jess here with MBRI Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own metallic paint using only spray paint and some glitter. I just built this lawnmower go-kart for my grandnephew, and the kid likes green. But there's no good greens out there. I want a metallic green, but it just doesn't exist. So I have here a green spray paint, and then I have some craft store glitter. Finally, I have some crystal clear enamel, or just glitter spray paint that'll work fine. And the technique here is layering. So let's get started. We're going to start off by putting a base layer down. I'm going to do one coat, then I'll let it dry to a tacky state. Next, I'll do a second layer of my base coat. I'm going to take a little bit of glitter, put it in my palm, and I'm just going to blow that glitter onto the workpiece. And when you get your glitter, be sure to get the finest glitter you can. This is extra fine 1/96th, because the bigger the flake size, the more texture it's going to leave on your paint. Once the second layer is tacky, I'm going to add a heavy layer of clear. Remember, if you just leave the glitter on the green paint and don't clear over it, you're going to have a texture where the glitter is. To get rid of the texture from the glitter, I recommend at least 3 heavy coats of clear, and that should get you taken care of.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
And that's all there is to it. It really is that easy to make your own metallic paint. Just get creative and have fun. If you liked this video, if it was useful to you, give it a like, hype it in the first 7 days that it's out, and check out the channel because I do all kinds of stuff on this channel. And as usual, I'll see you next time. Have a good week.